of the reverse vending machine. Here we have the different mode. Now is classification regulation. We have the item detect, that is quite a normal one. I introduced the recycling regulation and the classification regulation function. Here we select recycling regulation and setting this function, and we can recognize the recycling item, it is the recyclable or not. I show you how. Here we can select the plastic or eliminate can. Okay, and the door open, and that is the PET bottle. Yeah, it's recyclable. It drops directly. And here also have the weighing model. They will calculate the gram. And once we press the aluminum cans, this will move to pick up. And again, here's the aluminum can. Go to another bin, and they also recognize it is the beer and the brand and the weight. And also this one, we don't accept this one. Okay, if we put the not recyclable item into the machine, yeah, they will recognize. Please remove it, and the door will open, and you need to take it out. And the door will close. Okay, for next function, you need to select the classification regulation, and here you can choose regulation the plastic and aluminum cans sorting, means separate it directly. Press setting, and we go back, and we press here. We don't have the select of the plastic or aluminum. We just tap the touch and start. This one is the PET bottle. And they recognize the plastic. And also we have the weighing function. And we touch the start again. Now is the cans. The cans, they will detect it is the can. So this one will move to pick it up. Now the can drop here. Yeah, it can sorting the material automatic. And if we select here the custom brand classification, it means you can choose the brand. For example, we only take the Coca-Cola and then we cast the brand. This machine we only accept Coca-Cola, such like this.